The blue coolant light in Mazda vehicles is illuminated in two possible cases: when the engine coolant temperature is cold and the engine hasn't yet warmed up properly, or there is an issue with the coolant temperature sensor. The blue light initially means that your engine is not yet warm enough to drive actively and you need to be careful with your accelerator pedal. Once the light is off, you may drive as you normally do without any restrictions. So this light just shows that the car is still warming up. But if you see the blue coolant light after the engine has completely warmed up, this means that the coolant temp sensor is sending wrong readings to the control modules and it will need to be replaced. Driving with a malfunctioning coolant temp sensor and ignoring this problem is not a good idea, since you may not get any warning if your engine is overheated, and this can potentially damage your engine. But if you just see this blue coolant light for several minutes after a cold start, it's just a normal thing and there is nothing to worry about.